The challenge. HR software was once only for those with big budgets. How times have changed. There is now cloud-based HR and payroll from Advanced. It's designed for small to medium-sized organizations just like yours. How does it work? It's simple, accessible anywhere at any time. No need to install or maintain any systems. Advanced manages everything for you, including streamlining your processes. It's affordable, flexible, and easy to use, saving time and money. So what do you get? Managed payroll. Fully managed payroll processing, including distribution of payslips, BACS payments, and RTI submissions to the HMRC. A self-service portal. Book holidays, request training, change personal details, and much more with the manager and employee self-service facility. Personnel management. Manage and pay your employees, controlling salary costs and enhancing employee productivity. Training and development management. Understand the skill sets within the organization and identify which skills need to be developed. Business intelligence. With over 80 standard reports and the ability to create your own too, you can report on just about any data in the system. Auto-enrollment processing. Take the pain out of pension auto-enrollment. With Advanced, you get over 30 years of experience in HR and payroll, a 98% customer retention rate, and reassurance from the fact that we process over 3 million payslips every year. Advanced, a smarter cloud-based HR and payroll choice. Book your demo today. www.advancedcomputersoftware.com/ABS